1, 2. Oh, woo! Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. Today we will do some experiments and try and also open so much drinks. It will be cola, fruit style, Fanta, Pepsi, so much. Where is my cola? Give me my cola. Yes, it's an original classic cola. Let's open. Oh, so tasty. Yes, it's cool. Where's my Sprite? Give me Sprite. Yes, it's Sprite. In the green color. Let's open. Oh, what was it? How I can open? No, it doesn't open. Maybe this one. Yes. It's a purple Fanta. Oh, the purple color. Chupa Chups orange. Let's open. Oh, good sound. A very good sound. Two Toms, zero sugar. It's the orange one, it's the yellow one. I will try the first time. And now I want a very big cola. I want to add Mentos to cola. Let's do this. Yes, it's a very big cola, so big. 2 liters cola. Oh yes. And also I have a Mentos. Let's open. Oh. And we'll add Mentos. 1, 2. Oh. Woo! What? Yes. It was cola. Add Mentos. Yes. And now we will add the soda. White soda. Open. And it's a very interesting experience. And let's go. Yeah, a very beautiful and cool reaction. Thank you for videos guys. Please subscribe and like me, and also you can watch another videos. Hello guys, welcome to my show. It's a Zach Energy. I think you are very fun and I want for you to have a very fun time. And let's start. Today we will do some experiments with Mantis and Sodo. It will be very exciting, very satisfying. Let's start. Yes, it's Pepsi. Very blue and sweety candied Pepsi. Let's open. Oh, yes. The second one will be chill out. It's a very interesting drink. It's not alcohol, it's very tasty drink. Let's open. Green Fanta and green Street. Oh, what is it? There written is I don't know, maybe it's a Shipovnik. If you know what is it, you can write in comment. Let's open. Oh, let's try. It's not tasty, it's not good. Oh, it's Schweppes. It's very tasty. It's good. Schweppes is good. Schweppes is for a real man. For a real guy. Yes, Schweppes. Very energy. It's good. I don't know what is it. It's pink guava juice. Pink guava juice. I think it's for kids, maybe. I don't know. Let's open. It's cool. It's very tasty. Yes, it's cool. Go. And let's go. Lemon. Oh, it's something new. I don't know what is it. It's a Bodrini. Let's open. Ouch. So difficult. Cool Cola. Versicolo. Oh, it's the old drinks. Let's open. I think this is the Arabic drinks. Oh. But for this, I also have Mantis. Let's try with Mantis. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Woo! Yes. Very satisfying. Also, we'll add soda. Let's try with soda. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Ooh! Yes. A very super reaction. Amazing. Yes, that's cool. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please and goodbye. See you tomorrow, maybe today. Goodbye.